gentlemen. So the line between casual cool and casual meh is a thin one. The truth is, it's easy to get dressed up and look amazing and trick the shit out of people that you're super stylish, right? All you gotta do, you go to the store, get a super sexy fitted suit, some double monks, bang, you're killing it, right? Well, here's the thing. Casual style, on the other hand, is a lot more nuanced. You need a little more style savvy in order to look amazing when you're dressed down. And today, I'm gonna help you crush it. And just so you know, guys, most of the clothing that you're gonna see me wearing or using as examples in this video did come from Stitch Fix. It was curated for me personally by my stylist. They are today's video sponsor, and I am 100% obsessed. Maybe addicted is a better word because I just ordered my second fix, gentlemen. Anyway, more about them a little bit later. There is going to be a discount link down below if you want to go check them out. It all starts with number one. So the first trick that I use all the time in order to help me put outfits together and improve my casual style is to actually utilize Google. All right, so here's an example. Say you got a badass denim shirt, right? You're like, denim shirt, I love it, I think it's sexy, but I just don't know how to use it. Google search how to style a denim shirt for men, and then go to the images, and what you're going to find is a huge selection of incredible outfit combinations for you to rock that item. I love the way that David Beckham is rocking that denim shirt. And then duplicate. That's what I'm talking about. What? Exactly. You're like, damn, is that Bex? No, it's Alpha, right? But what do you think, right? Not too bad. I'm rocking the Scotch Soda denim shirt. That is absolutely perfection from Stitch Fix. And then I'm rocking the black jeans. I got a black t-shirt underneath. I got the enemies, and I've got a beanie, which I'm actually not gonna wear. If you're like me, sometimes you'll see something and you're like, damn, that looks sick, but then you get it and you're not sure how to wear it or how to elevate it. A simple Google search will give you style inspiration and show you ways to combine it. The second simple way to elevate your casual style is to roll, unbutton, and cuff. Boom, one big cuff up, right? And then take this thumb, hands underneath there, and then you're just rolling. Exposing a little forearm, because this is not only gonna drive the ladies loco, it makes you look casual, cool, and a hell of a lot better than this sloppy action. In terms of buttons, 3 is the casual cool magic number, because 2 unbuttoned, meh, it looks okay, it looks standard, it looks safe, but if you wanna elevate to the next level, boom, all you gotta do, gentlemen, release the beast. And by beast, I mean man cleavage. This goes not only for button-ups, but also Henleys and polos. Polos always look best when all 3 buttons are undone, all right? This isn't your daddy's polo though, right? It's from John Varvatos. It was sent to me by my stylist at Stitch Fix. Are you kidding me? Yes, please, I'll take 2. A quick and easy way to elevate your casual style when it comes to chinos or jeans is to toss a subtle small cuff in the bottom. Now, I would recommend 1, possibly 2. You don't want those cuffs to be like super big and fat. You also don't want them to be like too bulky. And so if you got to go like 3 or 4, that's typically going to be too much. But 2, in my opinion, looks amazing. The third simple way to elevate your casual style is to try brands you don't normally wear. This 3-button Henley is a perfect example. I love this shirt, but the brand is Rag & Bone. Now, I've heard about the brand. My buddy Terry loves the brand, but I've never really been into them. I've never really tried them. And so when given the opportunity with Stitch Fix, I was like, yo, let me check out Rag & Bone. Also, this John Varvatos polo shirt, like, check it out, right? It's got this really soft, cool, like, distressed, like blackish gray look, right? The fit is absolutely flawless. I have never worn a John Varvatos shirt, but I got this and I was like, oh my God, I love it. It's like my favorite polo shirt now. And that is the beautiful thing. Guys, when you step outside of your box, it allows you to see other opportunities, other styles, and try things that you will love. The fourth simple way to elevate your casual style is to ask for help. You could hire an image consultant, ask a stylist, or a stylish friend just to take you shopping. But if you don't want to ask your friend, you don't have any friends, and you don't want to go shopping, and you want to stay at home and still look stylish, gentlemen, you could always hit that link down below and go check out my latest obsession, Stitch Fix. So Stitch Fix, for those of you who've never heard of it, is like the best thing since sliced bread, literally. It's an online personalized styling service. You work with a real stylist who gets to know you, your preferences, your body, your fit, what colors you like, what colors you hate, your taste, your style, your fit, your preferences, gentlemen. And then what they're gonna do is send you 5 hand-selected items. But actually, you wanna see what I got? Let me show you. A rag and bone short sleeve Henley. A super badass John Varvatos polo. An amazing Theory black and white striped crew neck. Scotch and Soda denim shirt. Toad & Co. corduroy shorts. And then check it out. With your fix, you also get this little sort of like instructional card. It's personalized, and it has each of the 5 items that you actually received, and then it actually shows you how to style it, right? It gives you different ideas on how to put different looks together with the exact items that they actually sent. So not only did my stylist absolutely crush it, like I love every single thing that I got sent, right? This little card that shows you what to wear each of the items with that is personalized to you, guys, it's like next level stuff. But I think one of the reasons why they nailed it for me is because I really paid attention and took my time and answered the profile questions like as best as I could. The other thing that I love about Stitch Fix is they have like all of the brands, right? Not just like low end, they've got high end, they've got everything in between. And the cool thing, you tell them exactly how much you're willing to spend, what your budget is, so they don't go crazy, right? So if you're not willing to pay like $75 for a polo shirt, tell them, be like, yo, I would pay $25, $35, $55. You set the budget, you set the parameters so your stylist can work within them. So the way that it works, you fill out your profile and then you let them know, yo, I want to fix, hook it up. There's no subscription or anything like that. And then they're going to send you 5 personally curated items. Now, there's a $20 fee for that fix, but the beautiful thing, that $20 comes off of anything that you keep. Now, if you're like me and you love everything that they sent you, you're going to get a discount for keeping everything, like 25%. It's ridiculous. But if you don't love certain items or you don't like any of it, you can send it back, free shipping, free returns. It is amazing. And right now, guys, they're offering you something super special because they are a sponsor. There's a link down below. It's special. It is custom to us. If you hit our special link down below, they are waiving the first styling fee, which means you get to try it for free. They're going to send you 5 items, and then you get to see if you dig it, you can keep them. If you don't, you can send it back. 0 risk. Gentlemen, it is a ton of fun, and it's an amazing way to step up your style, look incredible, and I'm telling you, you are going to love it. And then next time you're like, yo, I'm ready for a fix, gentlemen, all you got to do is let them know, and boom, they're going to hook you up with another one. It is a ton of fun, and in my opinion, it is a game changer in terms of being at home, looking amazing, and not having to deal with going out, going shopping, and having a personalized stylist help you look amazing. The 5th easy way to elevate your casual style is to focus on fun, amazing fabrics, all right? Fabrics and different patterns, different textures are an easy way to elevate your style. The one thing that you're going to notice, guys, when you start actually investing in higher quality items, higher quality casual clothing, the fabric is going to feel a little bit different. It's going to be softer. It's going to drape on your body better, making you look amazing. And by trying different brands and pushing yourself outside of the box, guys, you're going to be able to find the hidden gems because they're out there, right? You don't necessarily need to spend a ton of cash in order to have high quality items. There's some incredible bangs for bucks out there that you just need to explore, you need to find. The other beautiful thing, guys, when you're shopping, if you find a brand that you love, sign up for the mailing list because they always are going to be sending you discounts and coupons. And when you're going shopping like in a store, gentlemen, or even online, typically they're going to have like discount racks or discount sections or clearance items. And those are the places where you should start because you're going to find some amazingly high quality items at a reduced rate that are going to look incredible. And the 6th simple way to elevate your casual style, gentlemen, is focus on the accessories. The accessories are the items that are going to set you apart from everyone else, right? It's how you are going to express your individual style, right? Summertime is here. Those incredible, fun fabric belts add a splash of color and pop to your outfit. Also, watches. You can never have too many of those. Sunglasses, rings, bracelets. Gentlemen, the accessories. That is the difference between you looking nice and you looking casual, cool, and killing it. Gentlemen, you are killing it. And if you'd like to kill that like button and drop a lot of these, I would definitely appreciate it because I need it. I need all the help I can get because, well, times are tough, but you are amazing.